Criminal defense clients face serious results, and that means maybe jail, maybe probation. What we're trying to do is make sure that the prosecutor knows that we're serious about defending our clients. The challenge, of course, is that there's going to be a jury trial in some cases. We have to be prepared. It's all about preparation. We have 35 people and 12 lawyers, former assistant prosecutors, former statewide prosecutors in the Attorney General's office, prosecutors from multiple different counties, but they're also trial lawyers, sensitive to your needs, but tough enough to fight for you. So that's where I've hired people who are the right people to represent you. And I think most of these lawyers understand how jurors think, because we're working people. We work. When someone hires Bramnick Rodriguez, we're assuming their stress. We're trying to limit their stress. That's what lawyers are supposed to do. And we're supposed to keep them informed. We want to make sure that you know exactly what is going on with your case at all times. You have to be fully informed so you can help us with any possible defense. We're here on Saturdays. I have suggested to every one of the lawyers, call your client on Saturday. Give the client the cell phone in case they need to reach you on a Sunday. When you're worried about something in your criminal case, you may not want to wait until Monday. That's why when you call my law firm, my cell phone is the first thing you hear.